Welcome to this new Meshmen Mori texturing series. Now we're gonna deal with the node graph. So I prepared here an updated asset for this purpose. So it has 37 UDIMs, also now includes rocket engines. So the backstory for this project, it's my garden snail has been out and about in the rain and the weather. So summer, winter, rain, thunderstorms, it's in it all. So what I did was to capture this asset using my DSLR camera, and I essentially took it into my studio, rigged 2 lights and blasted off a bunch of images and took it into a photogrammetry program. Once I had this basic model, I took it into Maya and I remodeled and reused it. So this model we've been using in the layer stack series. And now for the node graph series, I decided to add additional objects. So I modeled a bunch of rocket engines because this asset's gonna be flying out into space. After we have finished the initial texturing of this asset in Mori, we're gonna take this one into LookDev. We're gonna do that in Solaris and using RenderMan and Llama as the base for this project. Once we have a finished LookDev, we're gonna do shot production, and that's where we need a backplate, track it, and also capture an HDR. So the asset is available to download for free on my Gumroad. So I'm gonna take a link here up in the corner and also in the video description. There's also a Discord where you can ask additional questions, so link in the video description for that. So first off, there's gonna be an introduction to why I use nodes in the first place. I hope to see you in the node graph series very soon.